Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nishant's Jugaad. Today I am gonna share with you a very interesting mathematical trick that you might not have heard till now. So let us begin with the unique mathematical trick and be ready to get surprised. In the beginning you may find it a bit confusing, but once you know about the trick, then you will find it very easy. So please watch the video till the end. Friends, let us begin with the trick. Initially you will have to ask your friend to tell any 3-digit random number. I will consider it as 3, 6, 9, and the magic answer I will be writing as 2, 3, 6, 7. So this is the magic number. Now ask your friend again for a 3-digit number. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3. Now I will be writing a magic number as 8, 7, 6. Again your friend will be saying a 3-digit number, be 5, 6, 7. Now again I will write a magic number 4, 3, 2. So there are 5 3-digit numbers. If you add this, you will get this answer. Let us check. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 7, 25 plus 2, 27. 2 carry. 6 plus 2, 8, 10, 17, 23, 26. 2 carry. 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 4, 23. So this is the right answer. So this way you can take any random number. Let us take another 3-digit random number as 777. This will be said by your friend. Now you will be writing the magic number 2, 7, 7, 5. Then again you will be asking, you will be saying 1, 2, 3. Again you will be writing one magic number as 8, 7, 6. Again you will be saying a random 3-digit number, that is 555. So you will be writing as magic 3-digit number as 4. If you calculate, add this, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 4, 25. So 2 is carry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 4, 27. 2 carry, 8 plus 2, 10, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 4, 27. So friends, let us take a random 3-digit number. Let us say 7, 8 and 9. This is said by your friend as 789, any random number, and you have to write the answer, magic answer, and this answer should be written very quickly, same like a magician who does the trick without letting the audience know how he is going to do the trick. So here you have to write it very quickly as 2787. This is the magic number. Now this number, how are you writing? See here, observe this last digit 9. Subtract 2 from the last digit, it will be 7, and remaining you write as it is. Okay. Subtract 2 from the last digit and get it 7. and here you get as it is, here also you get as it is, and the number which you subtract from 9 will be written at the beginning. So this says that 2 which we subtract. So this whole number will be a magic answer. So let us proceed with the next step. Now what you will do is you will tell your friend to tell another 3-digit number which will be random. So it may be 544. Now you have to write a magic number very quickly. How will you write? You will write 4, 5, 5. How this number came? This magic number, how this came? This number 4, observe it carefully, 4, we get 9 by adding 4 to 5, and this also will be 9, this also will be 9. So this magic number we get by adding that number to this previously said number. We get answer as 9. So you have to write the magic number in that way to get the total as 9. For example, if your friend says something like randomly like 1, 1, 1, 1, then you have to write the answer as 888. So the total will be 9, this total will be 9, this also total will be 9. I think it must be clear to you by now. Let me take one more random number as 0, 0, 0. Then you have to write it as 9, 9, 9. How this 9, 9, 9 came? By adding 0 to 9 it will be 9. Overall it should be 9. Adding 0 to 9 again 9, 0 to 9 again 9. If you take it as 1, this magic number will change to 8. So 1 plus 8, 9. So total should be 999. Now if you proceed further, okay, let us take as 010 said by your friend. Now 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9. Again you will friend will be saying one random number 2. Now you will write as, tell me, is 7, 7, 7. Why? Because 2 plus 7 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9. So hope you might have understood this trick. So you should be doing it very clearly. Now I'll give one more example which should be little difficult to write quickly. That you should practice. If you practice, you can write at the faster pace. In case your friend will be more smarter than you, he or she may tell you a number which you will find difficult to write the magic answer. For example, let us take it as 520. If 0 comes, how to solve? You will have to follow the same procedure, that is 2 will be deducted from this 0. 0 you can't deduct 2, so you have to take 1 as a carry. So it will be 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8, right? Then here it will be 1, it will be 5. Here 1 because you are borrowing from tens digit to units digit. So 2 will be 1, 5 will be as it is, and 10 will become 8. By subtracting 2 from 10, it will be 8. So subtracted 2 will be written at the beginning of the answer. This is the magic answer, and you have to write it quickly, otherwise your friend will know the trick easily if he is smarter. So proceeding further, the number what you have written is 520, right? 520. So now he will be telling, for example, any number 777, right? 222, and he says 666. Then you write 333, because 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 3 9. Here also 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 2 9. This is easy, I guess. Now 7 plus 2 9 plus 6 15 plus 3 18, 8. 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3 plus 7 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 6 plus 6 18 plus 3 21. So 1 is correct. 2 carry. 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 14 plus 2 16 plus 6 22 plus 3 25. So this number is also proper. Magic answer. So this way you can surprise your friend. Hope you like this mathematical trick. Please share to your friends and help me make more videos similar to this. Thank you.